is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a huge laundry motivation video. So my family was out of town for the last 3 or 4 days, and so I'm going to unpack all these suitcases and try to get caught back up on my laundry. It is way out of control. So my goal today is to try to get all the laundry done by the end of the night. So let's see if we can do it. But anyway, the first thing I do is empty all these suitcases. I don't like to sit and go through them while they're in the suitcase. I just dump it all out and then sort everything then. So I was sorting all the laundry into the different colors, and then I decided I'm just going to hurry and throw a load in so it can be washing while I'm sorting. I would love to have you follow me over on my Instagram page. It's at hemigirl01. I share lots of tips and tricks and ideas and some of my personal life over there. So come hang out with me over there.
That's how we stay alive. That's how we stay alive. Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight. Every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it. 'Cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. Make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Like oh my God, this time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my.
why, but I feel like my laundry room is like the catch-all for the miscellaneous items. Do any of you have that problem? Like, I feel like I don't know where all this stuff comes from sometimes, but it just collects and collects until I go through and try to reorganize it. But yeah, I feel like it just is the catch-all for everything.
I used to think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came
Over on my Instagram page, I show you really slow how to roll these towels. So if you're interested or want to know how to roll them, just come join me over there.
now. My life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. Far away from the city lights. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out.
I'm thinking back on all those times when I felt closed off from all that I could become. Eager but too scared to climb. Wanted to please my friends, but it felt like the end of myself. I was shut down and all drained out. I was lost, so I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness they turned on me. But now I am perfectly free to be me. staying true, but they don't have a clue. 'Cause this is me when I cut out all the shallowness and everything I suppressed to fit in a small frame. But I won't play your game anymore. So
If you're interested in wanting to know more about how I do my laundry or some really cool laundry tips and tricks, I'll put a link up above for one of my laundry videos.
now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am. This is who I am now. No matter what they saying. This is who I am. This is who I am now. I'm gonna let them talk, but I ain't following nobody else. How can I be resentful when I finally respect myself? I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness they turn on me. But now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am. This is who I am now. No matter what they're saying. This is who I am. This is who I am now.
So out of reach, standing right in front of me. Oh, what you making me feel. I'm losing my speech. What is happening to me? Oh, you are making me breathe. In this moment, I'm just lost in time with you. All that I could.
Guys, are we almost done? I can see the end in sight. Anyway, so it's just after dinner. I'm just going to hang up this load of laundry that I'm just taking out of the dryer right now, and then put what is in the washer in the dryer. Then what I'm going to do is take my last load, put it into the washer, and then put it on a timer. It will wash while I'm still sleeping, and then when I wake up in the morning, all I have to do is just throw it into the dryer. So we are almost there.
Make me believe and see things that I could not see. I pray that you will never leave, never leave. Living in
guys, I did it. That was my main goal today, is just to make sure that those loads of laundry were done. So anyway, I hung everything. Now I just need to wait for the kids to come gather up their section of clothes and take it to their rooms and put it away. So I have a load in the washer right now that's scheduled for 10 hours before it will start. It will start while we're still sleeping, and then I can put it in the dryer and have that load finished. So thank you so much for joining me today. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby, I love you.